Toggl is a popular time tracking tool, but before you decide to buy, there are a few things you need to know to see if it's the best fit for your productivity needs. Whether you're looking to boost personal productivity or manage a team, understanding these key features can help you make an informed decision. The first thing you should know is that Toggl has a simple, easy to use interface. Unlike some competitors like Harvest or Clockify, Toggl is known for its minimalistic design, making it straightforward to track time with little setup or learning curve. This simplicity can be great for beginners, but it also means it might lack some of the advanced customization options that more complex tools offer. Next thing, Toggl's free version gives you basic time tracking features, but there are limitations. If you need project tracking or team management tools, you'll have to upgrade. Compared to other free options like Clockify, which offers unlimited users on their free plan, Toggl might not be as generous for teens. The third thing to consider is Toggl's integrations. While it offers integrations with popular apps like Google Calendar, Trello, and Asana, it doesn't have as many as competitors like Harvest or ClickUp, which can integrate with a wider range of third-party apps. If your workflow relies on many different tools, this might be something to think about. The fourth thing you should know is Toggl's reporting features. With its premium and enterprise plans, you get access to detailed reports that can help you analyze productivity trends. However, if you only need basic reports, there are free alternatives like Clockify that may offer enough for you. Another important point is the Toggl mobile app. It's available on both iOS and Android and is easy to use, making it convenient for tracking time on the go. However, Toggl's mobile app isn't as feature-rich as some competitors like Harvest, which offers better invoicing and expense tracking features directly in the mobile app. If you're managing a team, the sixth thing you need to know is that Toggl has team management features, but they come with a cost. Unlike some other tools that offer team features for free, Toggl's team management is only available on the paid plans. For smaller teams, this could be a deal breaker, especially if you don't need the full range of advanced features. The seventh thing to consider is Toggl's billing options. While it offers monthly and annual plans, there's no lifetime plan or pay-per-user option. If you're looking for flexibility, this could be a downside compared to alternatives like Clockify, which lets you pay based on users. Another feature worth mentioning is Toggl's client management. Unlike competitors like Harvest, Toggl lacks a comprehensive system for client invoicing and billing. While you can track time against projects, if you need to send professional invoices, you'll need an external tool or upgrade to the higher plans. The ninth thing is Toggl's desktop app. It's available on Windows and Mac, but you can't use the app without an internet connection. If you're looking for a fully offline solution, tools like Clockify may serve you better. The 10th thing you should know is Toggl's task management system. It's basic, so it might not be enough for complex projects. If you need more detailed task management features, alternatives like ClickUp might offer a better fit with more robust task organization and assignment features. Another thing is Toggl's customer support. It offers email support, but there's no live chat option, which might be a downside if you need quick assistance. In contrast, competitors like Harvest provide quicker customer support, which can make a big difference when managing time-sensitive tasks. Lastly, the 12th thing you should know is that Toggl does offer a 30-day free trial for their premium features. This can give you a solid opportunity to test out the higher tier features before committing to a paid plan. It's great if you want to see if the advanced reporting, project tracking, and team management tools are worth the price. In conclusion, Toggl is a solid choice for simple time tracking and personal use, but it might not have everything you need if you manage a larger team or rely on specific integrations. If you're looking for a more flexible, feature-rich option, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free and see if it's a better fit for your needs.